Hey guys, back at it again with another banger of a video. Where are we going today, ladies?
We're going to IKEA.
In Kenosha.
Oak Creek, Wisconsin.
Look at these cambered wheels on an old Lexus.
Focus up.
Don't do that, don't do that.
Welcome back to Cindy's Ventures, and today we're going to IKEA.
In Oak Creek, Wisconsin.
We got 95 miles.
It's an hour and a half away.
The Bluetooth is connected for the seal.
Yeah, stop that. I'm a llama, not a seal.
And we're gonna record ourselves in IKEA.
All right, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go walk around IKEA, see if we can get kicked out, maybe eat some meatballs.
All right.
All right,
Alright,
let's do this.
let's go.
What the world looks like.
No, this is what the world
Black.
looks like in 100
What the heck
years.
is that globe?
It's obviously the globe of the future. We don't exist.
Okay, we made it to IKEA. We are walking around the store.
Yeah, it's so cozy here.
We're gonna sit, and it's gonna look like we're in 100 different living rooms today, and try and get to the Swedish meatballs. So this couch is actually pretty nice.
Side.
I kind of like this couch. All right, this is bathroom.
Get out of here, you nasty.
There's naked. They're showering in here.
Hey,
Why I oughta.
why do you still smell so
How dare
bad?
you?
She took a shower and she still stinks.
Oh, so many times.
Oh, bazillion pounds.
Hey baby, you ready?
Welcome to my crib.
This is my room. These are all my cord attire. I'm being sued. Pour me glass. Come on, come on.
Easy. This is from Colombia.
Colombia.
This
Colombia.
Is
You
some,
Colombian?
yes.
Ha!
Oh, Jesus.
Sound like you just broke it.
Chill.
She's gonna get kicked out, definitely. Only TV Selena can afford.
Actually, I'll have you know, I have a $32 TV at home.
This TV's cardboard.
I like this chair better. This chair is better.
Okay, now go down the line.
That one does not look comfy.
Oh, that one's not it. Okay, I can thrive with this. This is chilling.
That one looks like it could be a good gaming chair. Like you're leaning back. Yeah, like that? Yeah. Yeah, that one looks like it's good.
Yeah, don't do that.
Oh yeah, this one ain't bad. Okay, this one's got the vibe that it's a real house. Tom took a nap.
So comfy.
Just gotta top it off. I'm a little bit too drunk for this.
Popping bottles.
By the sea. Look at that scenic view.
This
Doesn't
was my Uncle Rodney's boat, and then he sold it. This boat right here, I grew up on that boat. It broke, but I do still like to admire it. No, there's a yacht on the other side, and I enjoy my yacht, me and my yacht. It's just me and my yacht and my cat.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers and
Hey, what the hell are you guys
my
doing?
cat.
Get out of here.
Oh, that's my cousin Dill.
Dill?
What are you talking about? We're at IKEA. I don't even know you.
Are you coming to bed, honey?
Fine.
Yes, dear.
It's so wide, the couch or chair thing.
It's so that we can stay away. We don't even love each other
Stay on your
anymore.
side.
Yeah.
The divorce is imminent.
It's happening. Whatever the enemy means.
I'm only staying with you for the kids. As soon as
I'm
they
only
turn
staying
18,
with you
I'm
for
out
the
of here.
money.
It's fine.
That's the Lord. Before we get divorced, half of it's mine.
I already
just-
know. I already know you're banging the pool boy.
Actually, it's his cousin.
Oh, the pool boy's cousin. Look at you, dating up.
The Chronicles of Tom and Sully. Yes. No, it was in the shower with the.
No, it was like this. Come on, Ma. Live it. It was literally this.
Here's Johnny.
No, come back, come back. Hey, look.
Leave me alone. I'm not trying to shout.
Yeah, we're married. We're married.
I don't love you.
Showing
Can I come?
the first one.
Cook me a pepper.
Yes. One whole pepper. Here we go.
Saute my pepper.
Saute.
Watch this.
I taught him that. He clearly still.
Dude's got mad skills. Mad skills. Why are you even leaving him if he's got cool?
It'll be done in 12 hours.
Wait, so we have this open concept. Open concept kitchen.
Here, you guys scrub your butt.
Hey, take your favorite underwear.
Jeez, where did this come from?
It literally looks like underwear.
These aren't mine. These are Edwards or
Earl.
Earl's.
Earl doesn't wear pink. Are you fucking?
This bed's a keeper, actually.
This isn't bad.
Feels like a water bed. Alright, guys, I'm going to bed. Oh, we're here.
I don't think this marriage is gonna work.
What do you mean?
It's been gone. I told you I have feelings for Earl.
I'm taking the kids.
You. Crap, you are.
I wouldn't let them be raised by an adulterer.
I wouldn't let them be raised by some loner lowlife who don't know how to socialize with other people because of how much of a loner.
I've had a private detective following you for months now. I have enough evidence to get the kids.
Oh, so you've been
100%
stalking me?
custody.
No, you've been stalking me?
This bed's low-key comfy.
You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Oh, look at the tiles in here. Look at this tub. That's a nice tub. Hey, free tub.
That's a nice tub.
Me and Earl can shower all day.
Here's a trophy for being the worst wife in the world.
Here's a plant for the kids you'll never have because I'm taking them.
You can't.
I will.
Bro.
Do it again.
You know what? Hey.
Hey, get out of my house. Film the penguins.
I found myself a Brontosaurus and a Stegosaurus, and I'm taking them home. Steal of a deal.
Steal of a deal.
But I like these guys. So we decided we're not going to get the dinosaur. And we said our goodbyes.
She left him to die.
If this was Toy Story, they'd be sad.
Aww.
But we're going to leave him here. But we made it to the end of IKEA. We drove 2 hours. How long do we were here? An hour?
I don't know. How long were we here?
Or are we going to get some food? Where are you going to get some food?
It's currently 7:43.
34.
34.
Her dyslexic self. You going to buy that?
No, what is that lighting up?
It's a lantern.
Alright, so it's the next day, and we are going to be doing the powdered sugar TikTok trend challenge thing.
To do with this.
Tom's making wings.
Tom's getting upset. Mott's upset.
So she's gonna dump this powdered sugar on herself. So this is what we're gonna
Mott woke up salty.
I'm not upset.
do. He's just hungry.
I'm just hangry.
Look at these wings. Oh. Those look pretty good. Okay, let's go dump the sugar on her. Let's do it. Okay, now she's gonna dump the powdered sugar on herself. You ready?
Oh, I didn't know I had a narrator. Hey, come here.
Well, on my end.
Okay. Oh God.
Smear it on your face first.
It wasn't me. Guys.
But you gotta smear it all over your face.
Yeah, smear it in.
Don't get it in your eyes. She looks completely
Your hair's so white. Are you done?
I mean, should I not?
I don't know. Are you using the whole thing? You just motorboated the powdered sugar. Wait, just hold on. Just let the wind blow a little bit off. It's in your ear. Can you see yourself?
You look like Elsa.
Can you even see it all? There's sugar on the camera. Okay, wait, let me go first. You go last.
On a personal note, I cannot breathe.
Okay, hold on.
What am I? You got powdered sugar all over the camera.
Oh wow, I look amazing. That's my boyfriend. Can I
Okay,
see him?
Go shake off outside. You're gonna
She
be
got
dying
sugar
later.
everywhere.
Hair and now
How was
I
your
have
experience?
hair. No, I will never look at powdered sugar the same. It was so gross in my. Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much sugar on the floor. All right, that's what we're doing on our Sunday. What are you doing?
Who the hell took my powdered donuts? Just be honest.
I don't even like donuts.
I'm a diabetic.
Wasn't me. Was not me. I swear. Why would I get blamed?
And 3, 2, 1.
What up, people?
I'm cold. It's cold.
And cut.
Jesus,
Cut.
bro.
Cut.
All right.
Cut.
It's 8 o'clock. It's cold out here.
It's IKEA. Get a good picture of the IKEA. Yeah, baller.
Yeah.
I bought some meatballs.
Seneca abandoned 2 dinosaurs.
I didn't abandon them. It was impractical. It was an impractical purchase.
Was not. She said she didn't want to purchase it alone, and then she had a purchase buddy, and then she didn't follow through.
Okay, they were very cool animals, but
Ornaments.
why do you make fun of the way I say things?
Sorry, you said it funny. Play it back. Text me right now an apology saying I'm so sorry because I did say it weird.
I'm sorry.
They don't want to go get food, so we're just gonna head back to town. Okay, how did you guys enjoy IKEA?
It was baller as shit. I got meatballs.
I got divorced,
Oh
She
yeah,
got divorced.
the chronicles of them
but I
too.
survived the divorce.
What?
I'm widowed.
I'm alive.
I'm not even divorced. I'm just widowed.
All right, we're done with IKEA now. Tom
Can I
bought
see
meatballs.
I bought some meatballs.
Can I see? Come on.
Why?
I want to see it.
I made it.
I've seen that.
Why do you want to see it?
Come on, Tom.
No, it's mine.
Come on.
All right, 2-hour journey back. See you later. Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.